So today I'll show you how to connect your bank account to YNAB. If you want to manage your finances in real time, you can directly connect your bank account with the YNAB account. So to do that, let's head over to YNAB. And here by default, if you haven't yet added in an account to your YNAB, you'll see the option called add account. It says right here, start working with real numbers. Tap on add account. It's going to give you the option of choosing a bank account. The popular ones will be displayed in this screen. If your bank is not available right here, you can just search for it in the search bar. If it is available, just tap on it. Now to get started, you need to continue with adding in your phone number. Type in the phone number that you have and then tap on continue. And in the next screen, you need to add in the code that has been sent to the phone number. If you don't want to add in your phone number yet, you can also continue as guest by tapping on this option right here. In the next step, again, it's going to ask you to choose your bank. If your bank again is not in this section, search for it in the search bar. If it is, just tap on it. Lastly, you need to log into the online banking of your bank. So for example, I have the bank account or the online banking account of Chase. So here I just need to tap on continue to log in. It doesn't matter what account or bank that you have, you can just tap on continue to log in. And it's going to open up a web browser, which is going to be the login section of your bank account. Fill in the information of your online banking, such as the username and the password of your account. Make sure your credentials are correct, and then you can just tap on sign in. Once you successfully sign in to your online banking, your bank account or your online banking will be successfully connected with your YNAB account. So that's the exact process that you need to follow in order to connect a bank account to YNAB. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to share, subscribe, and also give this video a thumbs up.